Yes, I have.
Yeah, I have.
Yes, I have heard of mutual funds.
Okay, so were I to explain mutual funds to a 10-year-old, I think this is how it will go, right? Your parents give you 10 naira for an allowance, right? And there's only a small number of things you can buy with 10 naira. But you are an ambitious young child. You want to buy a PlayStation. What happens is that your 10 naira cannot just get you the PlayStation. So what do? You go meet your other friend, right? Isiaka. Isiaka also has 10 naira, right? And then you meet James and you meet John and all of them. And everybody brings 10 naira. And before you know, you have maybe what? 300,000 naira from a couple 100,000 friends, right? And now you can pull that together and buy a PlayStation.
So the first thing that comes to my mind will be mutual funds, funds that are shared like mutually, and that doesn't make sense, right?
I think I would just try and go back to using the secondary school explanation and say if when we want to make soap back in secondary school, we call it soap. Um, Someone brings cabin biscuits, someone brings sugar, someone brings milk, someone brings water, and everybody gets to eat eventually. But you get to eat with the amount of things you brought.
So I wanted a box of pizza, but I didn't have all I needed to get the box of pizza. So I reached out to four other friends. We put money together, we got a box of pizza, and we had a good time. Same way with mutual funds. What mutual funds simply do is I want to invest in very high-end investment options, but I don't have the money to invest there. But the other people also want to do the same. So mutual funds help us pool our money together and invest in these firms or invest in the shares of whatever company it might be. It might be a Dangote. I don't mind. That's what mutual funds simply do for every one of us, making it possible for everyone to get a slice. On Cowrywise, everyone gets a slice for just 100 naira.